How to switch Binance Pro to Binance Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch from Binance Pro to Binance Lite. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now in your profile settings, you'll see the option called Binance Lite. So if you are currently using Pro mode, simply tap on that button to enable the Lite mode. And after tapping on that, you will be switched to the Binance Lite mode. And it will provide you more user-friendly interface, making it much more easier to buy, sell and manage your crypto without advanced trading tools. And that's it. That's how you can switch Binance Pro to Binance Lite. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.